How to share a CapCut template. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the CapCut application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see there are 4 different options: edit, templates, library and me. So all we need to do is tap on the templates option. So here you'll be able to see different templates. So you can select whichever you'd want to share to anybody. So I'm going to select on a random one over here, and as I select on the template, tap on the 3 dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can simply select on the option of others. So you can tap on other and you can simply share it via different other networking sites or different applications over here. So I'm going to select over here. So I'm just going to swipe and I might just select on Telegram over here for now, and simply you'll be able to just share it with anybody on your preferred accounts over here. So let's go back again and let's just wait for a while again and continue to the app, then tap on 3 dotted lines, tap on others again, and let's share it over here. So I'm going to select on Telegram. As I do that, you'll be able to share the CapCut template to other people. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.